Hi, Olya. I am just recording the answers here in the interest of time and as I travel. So, to your questions first here. Question 1 in the body of your email, it says for the first 90 days, it's more like 45 days. If you look at my first point there in my email, it says first 60 days. So it's somewhere in between there. And you ask, how do we make sure we arrive at a plan? Well, yes, in the next 30 days. Well, yes to the fact that we meet weekly for an hour, and to arrive at something is a co-creation, but it's kind of my job to make sure that there's a plan within that time, and also your job to make sure you bring it, and together I am confident that we will have that. Yes, there's homework, and you actually get homework, like pre-homework, to the first session. And once we've decided that first time, we will I will send that to you, like the paperwork along with your homework, just because then I can read up on your answers. And even though you've verbally told them to me and I took some notes myself, part of the process really is for you to verbalize and identify it for yourself. So even though some of those questions in, let's call it the intake, it may seem repetitive, that does not mean I haven't heard you. It just means that there's a reason for you to write the answers down. Sometimes our own words jump back out at us when we see them in writing. So that I would do that. And then the other thing is, it's good to allow for a few days before the first session to do that homework. I mean, it won't take you that long, maybe an hour or so, depending on how much time you put into it. But it would be good for us to set a first session, and it would be even better if that's a standing time. So I have a 10 a.m. slot your time on Mondays or Thursdays, and that's 3 o'clock my time. So this coming Monday, they'll give you a few days to do the homework, or the following Thursday. Okay, so that's the first answer, and I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to give you the rest of the answers in the next video.